Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to change your mouse pointer size. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on this area, setting area. You can visit on the setting area by using your start menu button and by typing setting. Okay, and once you are on this screen you need to type over here mouse cursor mouse pointer, my mouse pointer size. Now you will see there is a option mouse pointer size. When you increase this size, your mouse pointer size will increase. Okay, so by using this method you can easily increase your mouse pointer size and you can easily increase your mouse pointer. Okay, so now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And if you have any other queries then you can also make a comment. I will try to solve your all the queries. Now this is the video tutorial for how to change your mouse pointer size and color. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.